Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I am Yogi, and here at Yogi Cycle Service's YouTube channel, we talk about everything motorcycle related and everything Yogi related. And there's a cop behind me. Let's move over. Oh, now he's trying to move over. Sorry, bro. My bad. Is it illegal to make a video? I know it's illegal to text while you're driving, but is it illegal to make a video while you're driving? I don't know. Don't know about that one. Anyways, so you may be wondering if you are a subscriber to this channel, and I thank you very much if you are a subscriber to this channel. And if you're not, I ask you to go ahead and check out some of my other videos. This is just like a general vlog video. We're just going to talk today. But if you like what you see, hang around for a little while. Mash on that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And you probably have noticed you haven't seen any videos from Yogi probably in about 2 weeks. Why is that? Well, my editing software crashed.
No! No! Yeah!
I've been using Davinci Resolve for a year and a half now. The thing is, man, it has more bells and whistles than I will ever use. It is an awesome editing program. But about 2 weeks ago, when I was loading a video into it for editing, it started lagging really badly. And you can't edit a video when it's lagging. Like, you don't know where to make your cuts, because the audio's not syncing with the video, and the video is skipping and lagging. Man, it takes 3 times the amount of time to edit a video as it does a video that doesn't lag. So I've been spending the past week trying to figure out how to fix it. Dumping things off the computer, clearing out memory, clearing out cache, clearing out everything I can clear out. And it's really still not any better. I've watched probably 30 YouTube videos, and they all say the same thing on how to fix Davinci Resolve to try to get more speed. Use optimized playback, use render cache, use this, use that, and it doesn't work. So I've downloaded a new video software program. But this one has a little bit of a learning curve. And it is nowhere near good as Davinci Resolve. And I think the way I put my videos together may have overpowered its poor little memory. It's working. It's doing all right. So I got a handlebar video that I'm trying to finish editing. And I'm using that. I use really both editing programs to try to make this work. And hopefully I should be done editing that one some point in time today. Get that video up. But I want to really edit this video using it. It's called Shotcut, I believe is the name of the program. It is a free program. You can use it for Mac. You can use it for Windows. It's okay. It's really a beginner program. I mean, it's okay. It's really a kind of a low, like if you don't want a whole lot of fancy video stuff, you can use it. If you want, you do fancy things with videos, which I don't really do, but I use multiple cameras, and for that program, multiple cameras is a little bit harder to work with than Davinci Resolve. I need something to keep putting out videos, though. I want to keep putting out videos. I want to stop because Davinci crashed. So, dealing with that. Finished up a handlebar job last weekend. Got another handlebar job coming this weekend. Finished that one this weekend. And a guy's dropping off his bike on Sunday for another handlebar job. But this one's going to be kind of cool. We're going to film this one because this one's it's that 2006 Road King. That red 2006 Road King. Big D's Road King. The one I did where he cut out the catalytic converter on the head pipe. We did that video. We've done a couple videos on this bike. We did something else. I don't remember exactly what. Lowering kit. I think. No, we did progressive shocks on his. I think we filmed that. Yeah, pretty sure. Putting progressive shocks on his bike on the back. And we're hopefully going to do some front fork shocks replacing springs on his front forks here soon. But this handlebar job, what makes it so cool? Well, these handlebars are adjustable. They are meat hooks, and I vowed I would never do a meat hook handlebar job ever again. See the link to that video up above. But here I am, and I'm going to do it. Why? Because these adjustable handlebars, they actually come in 3 pieces. So you run the wire through the meat hook and then down and come straight out the bottom, and then there's a bottom bar that these connect to, because apparently these handlebars are adjustable. I don't really know anything about adjustable handlebars, so I figured this would make a great video for both of us to learn what's up with adjustable handlebars. So we're going to be bringing that to you coming shortly. Also, have the handlebars job that I just did, his bracket that supports his fairing is broken, and I hear that's fairly common. And I got some brackets. Well, he got some brackets. They're really brackets made for like your deck or like handrails or staircases. They come from Lowe's. But I mocked them up with a Sharpie. I think we're going to cut them apart, drill them out. And I think we can use them to fix his broken fairing frame, bracket, whatever it is. So hopefully we'll be bringing that video to you here shortly. We got a couple cool things coming. Also, where my .4 brake fluid ate away on my clutch side master cylinder, ate the paint off, I'm going to show you, I found a paint that I think is a fairly good match. I'm going to show you how to pull that apart and repaint that and put that back together. We're going to do that on my 2014 Ultra. But that will apply pretty much to any master brake cylinder on any late model Harley. And you can get the paint at O'Reilly's. It's like $10 for a rattle can of it. Apparently it's a pretty good match. So we'll find out. We'll try that here soon. And who knows what else we have coming down the pike. So I just want to let you know, I haven't fallen off the face of the earth. I am still here. I am still recording. I have my Washington, D.C. trip to edit that video, and there's so much footage of that on so many different cameras, between drone shots on the Chesapeake to GoPro shots riding all around to everything we filmed at Antietam Battlefield. Man, it was a great weekend. It really truly was. And hopefully soon I'll be able to get that video edited, providing I can sort out all these editing program problems. So short of that, not much else going on, just busy as heck and trying my best to get you some videos. So please hang in there, hang with me. I got a lot more content coming throughout the next few months. I just hit a little snag on the road. So I will catch you soon. All right, Yogi Clan. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. Mash that like button if you like it. Hit that subscribe button. Give me some love. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.